Now see the chemistry unit 2 water textual evaluation. The first question is Romanus, choose the best answer. Question number 1. Around 97% of water available on earth is dash water. Most of the water, that is 97% of total amount of water that exists on earth is found in seas and ocean. So the correct answer is salty. Second question, which of the following is not a part of water cycle? Evaporation, condensation, rain and distillation. The right answer is rain. Question number 3, which of the following process add water vapor to the atmosphere? Transpiration, precipitation, condensation and evaporation. So the right answer is 1 and 4. That means transpiration and evaporation. Fourth question. About 30% of fresh water is found in. Options are glaciers, groundwater, other source of water, 0.3%. So the answer is 0.3%. Question number 5. Using RO plant at home eliminates a lot of non-potable water. The best way to effectively use expelled water of RO plant is. Options are make the expelled water go and seep near the borewell. Use it for watering plants to drink the expelled water after boiling the cooling, and to use for cooking as for water is full of many nutrients. The answer is use it for watering in plants. Next Roman, fill in the blanks. Only dash percent of natural water is available for human consumption. The correct answer is 0.3 percentage of water is natural available for human consumption. Second question, the process of changing water into its vapor is called evaporation. Third one, dash is built on rivers to regulate water flow and distribute water. The correct answer is dam. Dam is built on rivers to regulate water flow and distribute water. Fourth one, water levels in rivers increase greatly during raining. So the raining time, the water levels or rivers in increase greatly. Fifth one, water cycle is also called as hydrological cycle. True or false? First one, water present in rivers, lakes and ponds is unfit for use by human beings. Answer is false. Yes, the water present in rivers, lakes and ponds are fit for use by human beings. Question number 2. Seas are formed when the water table meets the land surface. Answer is false. Ponds are formed the water table meets the land surface. Question number 3. The evaporation of water takes place in sunlight. Yes, that is true. Fourth one, condensation result in the formation of dew and grass. Answer is true. Fifth one, sea Seawater can be used for irrigation as such. Answer is false. Seawater cannot be used for irrigation such. Match the following. Flood, surface water, sunlight, cloud, frozen water. The correct answer is flood, increased rainfall. Surface water, lake. Sunlight, evaporation. Cloud, water vapor. Frozen water, pole. Arrange the following statement in correct sequence. The correct sequence are: the heat of the sun causes evaporation of water from the surface on the earth, ocean, lakes, rivers, and other water bodies. And the water vapor is also continuously added to the atmosphere through transpiration from the surface of the levels of leaves of trees. Higher up in the atmosphere, the air is cool. These vapors condense to form tiny droplets of water. These droplets floating in the air along with the dust particles from clouds. Warm air is carrying clouds rises up. The water droplets come together to form large water droplets. The large water droplets become heavy and air cannot hold them, therefore, they fall as rains. Analogy: population explosion, water scarcity. Recycle, the correct answer is water management. Question number 2: groundwater, that means tube wells. Surface water, lakes. Seventh Roman, give very short answer. Name four different sources of water. There are rivers, wells, lakes, glaciers, ponds, etc. Question number 2. How do people in cities and rural areas get water for various purposes? In city, people get water from tank, hand pipes, and bore wells. In rural area, people get water from wells, canals, ponds, and rivers. Question number 3. Take out of cooled bottle water from refrigerator and keep it on table. After some time, you notice a puddle of water around it. Why? The answer is the cool surface of bottle cools the air around it and the water vapor of the air condenses. So after some time a puddle of water can be noticed around the bottle. We could see clouds almost every day. Why doesn't rain daily? See the question. We could see clouds almost every day. Why doesn't it rain daily? So the answer is the millions of tiny droplets do not collide with another to form larger droplets. The air around the cloud is not cool. So we could see almost cloudy in nature. Question number 5. Name the places where water is found as ice. They are polar ice caps, ice sheets and glaciers in Arctic region or Antarctic region. Question number 6. How do aquatic animals manage to live in Arctic and Antarctic circle? In Arctic and Antarctic circle, water in lakes and ponds will be frozen. A solid layer of ice is formed on the surface of water. Still, aquatic animals living under the ice do not die. This is because the floating layer of ice acts as a protective coat and does not permit heat to escape from water. So, as the surface water alone turns into ice, the aquatic animals manage it. Question number 7. What are the types of rainwater harvesting? There are two types of rainwater harvesting. First one is collecting water from where it falls and collecting water by constructing bunds. Short answers. Question number 1. Differentiate between surface water and groundwater. Surface water. The water present on the surface of earth. Example: river, lake, streams, ponds, and fresh water. And groundwater. Groundwater is the water present beneath earth's surface in soil. This water is obtained through springs, open wells, tube wells, and hand pumps, etc. So the water present beneath earth's surface is soil. Example: open wells, tube wells, or hand pumps and springs, etc. Write a few slogans of your own on the topic Save Water. To a thirsty man, a drop of water is worth more as sake of gold. Water covers 2 by 3 of the surface of earth, but only 0.002% is drinkable save water. So the save water to secure your future. Don't make nature cry. Keep your water clean. Store water for dry days. Question number 3. About 71% of earth's surface is covered with water. Then why do we face scarcity of water? So the answer is about 71% of earth's surface is covered with water, and even then we face scarcity of water. So the reasons is 97% of total water is found in seas and oceans, which is salty and do not fit for human consumption. And only 3% found in the freshwater, and the two available in polar ice caps and glaciers. Out of 3% freshwater, only 0.3% is available to us as surface water in lakes, rivers, and swamps. We should take care to prevent scarcity of water, otherwise it's impossible for organisms to live on the earth. The only method to preventing scarcity of water is conservation of water. So the saving water for the future generation by using water carefully and in limited way in conservation of water. Question number 4. Give a reason for the following statement. Sewage should not be disposed of in rivers or oceans before treatment. Answer is sewage should not be disposed of rivers and oceans before treatment. If we dispose of sewage before treatment, the rivers and oceans will be polluted. Aquatic animals and species will be died due to pollution. We cannot use the river water for our daily life. We know that water is distributed by local bodies in some areas, which water is obtained from river, lake, and groundwater. It is treated and distributed. Model of water distribution and treatment plans is shown in your book. Question number 5. The fresh water available on earth is only 3%. We cannot increase the amount of water. In that case, how can sustain the water level? The answer is the sewage water treatment is to be adopted. And the second point, decrease the usage of pesticides, insecticides, and fertilizer in agriculture. Protect forest and trees. Adopt drip irrigation and sprinkler irrigation in agriculture. Rainwater harvesting should be implemented in every building. Create awareness about the impact of throwing waste into the water bodies. Thank you, students.